Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A security vulnerability in Amazon's Ring Video Doorbell Pro devices could have allowed attackers to exploit the internet-connected doorbell to intercept the owner's Wi-Fi credentials, giving hackers unauthorized access to the network, and potentially to other devices on it.
Let's help you make your mark.
In fact, a Ring representative said the following: "It's rare that Ring doorbells are stolen given that they have special screws that secure them to the home, but most importantly that the owner will have a recording of the thief as he's stealing the doorbell."
Take our lead.
In order to be added as a shared user, the person must have their own separate Ring account, and use their own email and password to log in. If you have multiple Ring devices, you must add the shared user to each device individually. Shared users can view stored videos if you are enrolled in a Ring Protect plan.
Take our lead.
The answer is yes, they can. Researchers at Dojo, an Internet of Things security company, have found that bad actors can intercept your Ring doorbell by accessing the network it uses. This is possible because the data traveling between the Ring device and its application is not encrypted.
Let's help you make your mark.
It's rare that Ring doorbells are stolen given that they have special screws that secure them to the home, but most importantly that the owner will have a recording of the thief as he's stealing the doorbell.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.